عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to my channel Faisal Azib. In this video, I will talk, inshallah, about Java variables. So let's start. What is variables? Variables, it's something that change not each time, but also sometimes it change. Sorry. Sometimes it is constant. It can also change each time. And we have a lot of type of variables. In Java, it is not as JavaScript. If you are a Java developer or web developer, if you declare a variable in JavaScript, you don't specify the type. I mean, when you write a variable in JavaScript, you just write like this: var name or age equal 25. But in Java, it's very different. When you declare a variable, you must specify the type of this variable. That's a lot of type. That's primitive type. I will show you where you can get them. And we have type as class, as string, for example. And for age, it is of type integer. I will write int. How you can get all type, primitive type in Java? Just type in Google Java data type, and here you get all the primitive data type. Okay, we have byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, and char. We will choose or we will use principally a lot of them, such as int, long, float, double, boolean, short also. For example, int is the sequence of the number that's limited at this number. It's very long. Now I know. And until this. Long is a type of the int, but it's more long than int or integer. Float, it's different between integer and long. You can add it to decimal. As you can see here. Double also, it's more big than float, etc. And boolean is a very easy type that get only two variables or only two values, that's true or false. For example, are you a male or female? It's only here you will use this type of variable boolean. And we continue. Then here I have choose, for example, int age, and I can show this variable in my console. How to show this variable in my console? I will write system as previous example dot println age, like this. Because println is a method with one argument or more. You can see this in Javadoc if you want. Just type println Javadoc, you can get definition of println method. And here I will see in the console only 25. Let's start. As you can see. Now I can also add a message in my console or in my output stream to make it more readable. For example, my age is 25. How to make it? So I like this. I open the message. My age is, it is not my age, I will choose what my really age, 38 is I will make like this to make difference. If I write like this, in the console, I will not see my age really. The message that will be displayed is my age is age. But if I want to see the value of this variable, then here, what I do, I added the plus operator, okay, with the name of variable. But be careful. The plus here, it is not the plus of addition, okay? We have the plus of addition. It is the same character. But here, the rule of the plus is to add some content to my message. It doesn't mean in programmation concatenate the value of your variable with your message. Okay, and here I can see the variable of the value of my age. Before to continue, here I have make or have put 38 as age. What does it mean? I have affixed a value to my variable, or I have in it the value of the variable as 38. I can change it how I want. Okay? So it's very important. If you want to initialize your variable, you make it like this. You put the name of the variable in declaration, and before this, you choose the type of the variable, and you added the equal operator. It is not the equal between two variables. We see this after. And here, you added the value of the init of your variable. That means I will initialize my variable with this value. Now I will choose another variable. For example, name is, my name is Asib, but type here will be in class string. Okay, string is a sequence of character. Say it like this. It's very simple. Here I will choose another variable, or here we make first name, and last name equal Faisal. And what I can add, for example, is a student, if I am a student or no. Then here I will choose Boolean as primitive type, and is student. By default is false, because when you born, are you student? أتمسخروش بينا. A baby isn't a student. False. Okay, like this. Now I will show you in the console the different value of this variable. Then here I will let this message. I will copy this. Wrap. I don't like the online compiler. So I will take my age is my first name, my last name, and am I student? Then here I will put first name variable as I have make it before, last name, and is a student. And now here I have choose also println. I have 4 message. See now the result. Ta-da! My age is 38, my first name is Azib, my last name is Faisal, and my student false or no. Now I will choose print because I have talked about this method before in previous video. Now see the result. Werk. It is not readable. Werk. As you can see, all the messages are behind the previous message. I think you have now made the difference between print and println. So to make it more readable, I think println is very good. Before to continue, I just open parenthesis, how to choose the name of a variable. It's different between the class. Here I forgot something, or it's in uppercase. It's very different. When you choose the name of the variable, it will be use the rule of the camel case. That means the first letter of your variable, of your name, must be in lowercase, not such as the class. And the next ones are the word in the same name. The first character will be in uppercase. You can use the lowercase, but to respect the readability of the program or of the principle of camel case, choose all the first letter of the next words in uppercase. As I have make this first F letter in lowercase and N in uppercase, L in lowercase and N in uppercase. I here is in lowercase and S in uppercase. Now, before to continue, I will make you a challenge. It's a very useful challenge. I will give you 10 seconds. What is the goal? Is to show in our console all this message, but we will use only one instruction. It means you will use only one system.out.println. I mean, I will remove this. Okay? And you must print in the console all the variable with this message, my age is, my name is, etc. in only one line. Okay? So we have 10 seconds. Let's go. I will show you how to make it. It's very easy, inshallah. So here what I have put, I have added my message and I have added the name of variable. I will make the same thing for the rest of the variables. That means I will add here the plus operator and I will add the text message. That means, for example, and my first name is 2 plus. I have made a space for more readability on only one, but you can make like this, huh? Okay, but it's more readable. Plus first name plus I continue. FC. It's very easy. Tac. La, yes, it's like Chikula. Like Chikula. It's very good. Tac, tac. first name and my last name is plus last name plus, and am I student? Student? La, I am not. Here is a student. Now you will see. Ta-da! I have all the message in only one line with using only one instruction. Okay? Now I will use another type of variable, for example, double. Double is primitive, as you can see it's here. Double. What I will use as a variable, for example, variable 1 and 10.23. Next ones will be double, var2, 24.10. Okay, and now I will make an addition between this variable. It means I want to show what is the result between var1 plus var2. I have two opportunities. I can show it the result directly in the message system.out.println, or I will use a third variable to make the operation between them, and I will show this variable. Let's make this, the two opportunities. The first ones I will show it with system.out.println. And now you have understand how to make the message with name of variable, but here is trick. I will make it. So the sum between var1 and var2 is here. Look, normally I will add the name of variable, okay? I mean var1, but if I make only this, I will get only the value of var1, and if I put plus operator plus var2, what I get here is specific. If I put this var1 plus var2, normally I get the sum between them. It is not the case. Look, here I have got the message, and after this the value of var1, and I have concatenate also the value of var2. Why? Because we have priority, the concept of priority. The plus operator concatenate, if you added it with the message I have told before, it will add the value of this message behind the previous, okay, etc. I have made the plus var2, it will be added the same thing, because the first priority here is string, not var1 plus var2, okay? But if I will add a parenthesis between var1 plus var2, here you will see I got the sum between them. Concatenate with the message. Ta-da! I think you have made the difference. Okay, I have made it. This example not hard, but to see you the trick or the concept of priority between the operator. Here we have the operator plus, it make two different things. It will concatenate or add the name or value of a variable with your message, and the second thing, it will make the operator as a plus operator or addition operator. Now I will use another variable to make it more easy. It means double var3. Here I will make var1 plus var2, and here it's more useful because here the plus, it is the plus operator as an addition, not a concatenation. Okay, then if you want to show the result, just make, not parentheses, just make var3, and you get the same thing. Okay, the next thing to show is how to get the length of the variable as string. For example, what does mean the length of string variable? For my first name, I have 4 characters. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Go to terms. How many characters are in your variables? It's very easy. How to get it? I will use a variable. I will show it directly in system.out.println. So I will remove this, and here I will show you how to make the length. And the length of the variable first name is, and now what I will put, the name of the variable is first name. After this, I will make dot character, and I will use a method that is called length, like this. It will return the length of my variable, the number character of my variable. And let's see, I will get 4. Why 4? It's 1, 2, 3, sorry, and 4. If I will choose last name, here, how many characters? It's 6. Okay, but it's for string, it's very important. It's for the string. If you want to make the number of character of the age, it is not possible like this. You must convert it in string and to get the number, but it is not the case for this course. Okay, I will show you this in on the video, inshallah. Okay, now we'll make you some challenge, very easy challenge. You have the variable first name and last name, your first name or last name. Put what you want, not my name. Choose what you want. When I program, make it with me directly to get an error, to understand directly. Okay? You don't must wait to finish my course. When I finish any comprehension of anything, practice it directly, okay, to understand the concept. Now the challenge is to show the length of first name plus last name. Okay, I mean here for me, the first name contains 4 characters and the last name contains 6 characters. Then the sum will be, addition will be 10 characters. I let you take 10 seconds to make it. So let's start. 1 زوج 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Finish. So how to make it? It's very easy. So to get the length of the characters, we have a lot of opportunities to make it. And so very simple is system of returning the length of the variable first name and last name is more credible. Here first name dot length, and now I don't forgot, I think it's good. As you can see, I have the length of the two variables. I hope, brothers and sisters, that you have understand the variables in this course. In next video, inshallah, I will show you another type of variables like array, a list, and a map, because it will be very long if I continue in this video, inshallah. Okay, so see you in the next video, inshallah. If you like the course until this moment, subscribe to my channel if it's first once to see my video. Like it, the video is very important. Share it with your friends. And I will tell you in this video, inshallah. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.